Save time and money with today's recommended business and have a profitable day.
Hi, it's Tom with theprofitableday.com with today's recommended business, Thermal Concepts in Florida. They were started in 1983 and they're a leading provider of air conditioning, ductwork, custom sheet metal, piping, controls, and building automation. Their website gives you a great overview of their work in quality mechanical contracting services, HVAC service, controls, and building automation. You may contact them on their website or call the number on your screen. Thermal Concepts, they are today's recommended business. Thanks for watching and have a profitable day.